Tim's shocked as his mother comes into the kitchen. His fingers gripped a bright red candy. Tim stammered, his eyes wide with guilt, while thinking,
The king cobra is widely known as the king of snakes. Adults typically reach 3 to 4 meters in length, and when threatened, they rise up to appear eye level with a small child.
Ren stands at the edge of the floating arena, his uniform shredded by the howling gale. Opposite him, the armored titan looms like a mountain of steel blocking the horizon.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Develop Minds, and today we are going to create everything from 3D Pixar-style movies, cute animated cartoons, to action-packed anime and professional explainer videos, all using a single tool, which is MagicLight AI. And that's not all. I have 3 Pro Plan membership giveaways. Each winner will get 1 month of MagicLight Pro plus 20,000 bonus credits and watermark-free exports. So stick around and I'll show you exactly how to get these giveaways near the end of the video. So let's jump in. Once you log in, you will see the MagicLight dashboard. Here you will find all the tools MagicLight offers. For long-term video creation, click on Story to Video, which is MagicLight's main video generation engine. For our first project, I'm going to create a heartwarming 3D Pixar style story about a mother and her son. I'll simply paste my script here. Next, select your language. I'll choose English, but keep in mind that MagicLight supports multiple languages, which is great if you are creating content for different audiences. For YouTube videos, select 16:9 aspect ratio. For this demo, I'm going to leave all the settings on auto and let MagicLight make the creative decisions for us. It'll be interesting to see what it produces without any manual tweaking. Once you click Generate, MagicLight will analyze your script and create a detailed scene-by-scene storyboard. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks right. Now we move on to one of the MagicLight's most impressive features, Character Log. The AI automatically detects the character in your story. In my case, it found 2 characters, the mom and the son. What makes MagicLight so powerful is that you only define a character once, and the AI keeps the character visually consistent throughout the entire video. No random face changes from scene to scene. After that, you will arrive at the storyboard view. Think of this as your entire movie laid out in front of you. Every scene includes an AI-generated image and the corresponding section of your script right below it. If an image looks good and it fits to the story, simply move on. If something doesn't look quite right, you have 2 options: regenerate the image or edit it using Nano Banana. At this stage, these are still static images. To bring them to life, click Animate. This is where the magic happens. MagicLight transforms each image into a cinematic video clip. You can choose from several animation models, including Veo, Gemini, Hilo, Kling, Cadence, and Vido. In just a few minutes, your storyboard turns into a collection of smooth animated scenes. You can preview every click individually, and if you are not happy with any of them, simply regenerate that specific scene. If everything looks good, click Next. Choose your preferred subtitle style, then hit Generate. MagicLight will process all the scenes and assemble your complete video. When it's finished, click for Export, select 1080p, and you are done. Now let's watch what we created.
Tim's shocked as his mother comes into the kitchen. His fingers gripped a bright red candy. Tim stammered, his eyes wide with guilt, while thinking, it is just one candy. His mother sat beside him, pointing to the sticky residue on his lips and the hidden wrappers.
Candy tastes sweet, Tim, but too much ruins your teeth and leaves your stomach aching.
Suddenly, a sharp memory flashed, the throbbing pain in his jaw from last week after a sugar binge.
You can take one, and we will save the rest for tomorrow. Your teeth stay strong, and you still get your reward.
Tim nodded, dropping the extra pieces back and tightening the lid. After a quick hair ruffle from Mom, he ran toward the bathroom, for brushing his teeth with a newfound sense of pride.
What you just saw was a complete animated cartoon featuring consistent characters, synchronized voices, background music, and cinematic transition, all generated with a single AI tool. As promised, I am giving away 3 MagicLight Pro memberships. Each winner will receive 1 month of MagicLight Pro, 20,000 bonus credits, watermark-free exports, access to premium model and features. To enter, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below and tell me what type of movies you would create using MagicLight AI. And bonus points if you share this video with a friend who loves AI tools. Select the winners and announce them in the community tab and the pinned comments. Let's create an explainer video about the cobra snake, often called the king of snakes. I have already pasted a detailed script packed with facts and information. Let's see what MagicLight generates.
The king cobra is widely known as the king of snakes, holding the title of the longest venomous snake in the entire world. Adults typically reach 3 to 4 meters in length, and when threatened, they rise up to appear eye level with a small child. Despite its name, this snake is not a true cobra. Its scientific name, Ophiophagus hanna, reveals a much more intense reality. The term Ophiophagus literally means snake eater. This unique diet is a primary reason why it earns its royal reputation among predators. While other snakes hunt rodents or birds, the king cobra actively tracks down rat snakes, pythons, and even other venomous species.
Explainer video content are one of the highest performing contents formats on YouTube right now. If you can create high quality explainer quickly, you can either grow a profitable channel or offer explainer video services to clients as an additional income stream. For our third example, let's create a kids animated movie. This niche is one of the fastest ways for new creators to start building a monetized YouTube channel. I have written a simple story about a cute little panda. The animation doesn't even use voiceovers, it relies entirely on music and sound effects. Yet it still feels incredibly engaging and adorable. Let's keep a look at the results.
Wow! It's like they're dancing!
Because MagicLights keep characters consistent across scenes, you can easily create an entire series featuring the same pandas, make the story feel much more professional and enjoyable to watch. And finally, let's push the things even further by creating a high quality anime cinematic movie. For this one, I have pasted a story about a teenage warrior in training who possesses powerful electric abilities. Let's see what MagicLight creates.
Ren stands at the edge of the floating arena, his uniform shredded by the howling gale. Opposite him, the armored titan looms like a mountain of steel blocking the horizon. Blue sparks hiss around Ren's trembling fingers. He looks down, remembering a sun-drenched field where he first summoned a single, harmless spark. That golden memory flickers briefly against the harsh reality of war. Ren shifts his stance, planting his feet firmly as violet lightning surges from his core. The sky turns a bruised, violent purple.
Results are honestly impressive. The character design stays consistent throughout the story. The action scenes feel cinematic and the anime art style looks surprisingly professional considering how little effort was required on our side. If you enjoy the video, do not forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.